So guys, this is what my problem is. As you can tell, I am in drive. Okay, and the car has just locked itself in, I believe, third, maybe fourth gear. As soon as I let off the brake pedal at the moment, the car is rolling back. As you can tell, the car is rolling back. It's not supposed to do that. It's actually supposed to crawl upwards. But if I apply a little bit of power now, as you can tell, it's really struggling. And there's no handbrake sign. And just what you want to know, that's my other leg. And there you go. I'm putting more gas on it, and the car is barely crawling up a hill. It's not even that steep. As you can tell, it's only a little tiny bit. And there's no check engine lights. There's nothing else. Turn this off. And this is the crap that I'm having to deal with at the moment. We need to get this thing fixed as soon as. So what I am going to do is I'm going to stop. I'm going to turn the engine off. Hopefully this should fix it. So back into park, as you can see. Engine off. Engine back on. And back into drive like that. And as you can tell, the car is more responsive now. I'm driving off, setting off, just change gear. Same gradient, and nothing has just changed. And it's doing this now probably once every 10 minutes.